We've all been in a position where we wanted to look thinner or look muscular. So we started running, lifting weights, exercise in general. There are people who see results at first and people who do not see results at all. I was in the first position and so I was trying to find a way to achieve my goal. I have found out that with proper nutrition and patience, I could achieve that. But I had the same questions as we all do. Where do I start? What do I eat? And how much to eat? So my brother and I started a journey to create just that. An app that shows you what types of food to eat and how much to eat. I present to you Count Meal. Now, imagine this power in the palm of your hand.